Hi, I'm Beautasia with Hollywood Beautiful, the world's first superhero of beauty. Today I'm going to teach you how to use lemon juice to stop zit redness. Do you ever get that 1 or 2 big pimples on your face? Okay, I do. So what you're going to do is take lemon juice. I've already squeezed some in a bowl, you can see here. And you're just going to take a cotton pad or a cotton round and you're going to soak it. The alpha hydroxy acids in the lemon are going to help kill the bacteria in the acne. So there's a little one right here. So what you're going to do is just going to press it into the skin. How does that feel?
Yeah, it feels good. Cool.
It's not irritating the skin?
No.
Now if it was irritating the skin, you can always dilute the lemon juice. So you just want to leave it on overnight if it's not irritating you. If you are experiencing some sort of tingling or pain, dilute the lemon juice, remove it after 15 minutes, and repeat up to 2 to 3 times a day. So for more beauty tips, you can go to hollywoodbeautiful.com, like me on Facebook, or follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.